Hi, in this video I want to show you how to turn off notifications so that you will not receive this notification again and again, and it can be annoying. It's really simple. If you want to get rid of a notification, you just scroll it aside and it disappears, but next time it will give you the same notification again. But if you want to get rid of this notification so that app would not send us this notification again and again. So this is my screen where you can see the notification. So all you need to do is to hold your hand on the notification, because I really don't want to get notification from Spotify. It's advertising the things that it wants me to kind of come and listen. So you so you hold your hand on the notification. You have limited time. You need to click on that kind of bar and turn it off. Once you turn it off, click on save or touch on save, and you're done. You're not gonna get that notification again. I've shown you how to do it on your phone, and this was a video of how to do the same thing on your tablet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really need more subscribers. Once I get past 10,000 subscribers, I would be able to make better quality videos for you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.